Welcome to the project demonstration of speaking microcontroller for deaf and dumb along with home automation. So here we are going to detect the inclination, nothing but hand movement or head movement in forward, backward, left, right. So with respect of earth gravity, we are going to detect the inclinations in x-axis and y-axis. So this is going to be the x-axis and y-axis. So based on the angle, we set the threshold values in our PIC microcontroller, and there is a selection switch. So if the person want to announce the voice according to his requirement, needs like need medicine or food or emergency, then we should place this selection switch in voice mode. So if you want to control the devices, we need to place in device mode. So then you can control these two devices. So forward, one device will get switched on, and backward, same device will get switched off. Right side, another device will on, and left side, same device will be off condition. So this total system driven by the PIC microcontroller. So here we are using PIC 16F72 microcontroller, which is taking care of inputs and controlling the output modules. So in our project, inputs are MEMS ADXL335 and output is audio playback recorder APR333A3 voice module. So which will predefinedly use for voice recording, and then after we can play the recorded voice. So in this one we have recorded the 4 voices which are the basic needs for a person like who's the deaf and dumb when he is in emergency. And the next, he can control his light or fan, so based on the movement, so that will be controlled through the electromagnetic relays. So the whole system getting power supply from this regulated power supply board, so which will take the 230 volts AC inputs and provide us the 5 volts DC output. It consists of 4 stages. First one is a transformation to step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC, and next rectification, so which is used to convert the AC to pulsating DC, and filter to remove the pulses, and regulator to step down the 12 volts DC to 5 volts pure DC voltage. So once the controller get the 5 volts power supply, then it start reading input from the MEMS sensor, and that will be decoded to the threshold angles. So when the threshold angle crosses in respect to X or Y axis, the respective action will be done based on the selection switch. So on this motherboard, there are the 3 major components. One is the PIC 16F72 microcontroller, another is a crystal oscillator. The steel plated one is the 20 megahertz of crystal oscillator, which will provide 20 mega pulses per second. So the main purpose of this oscillator is we provided the set of instructions inside the controller. So each instruction will be executed based on the 1 pulse. So means 1 pulse, 1 instruction, so that controller can execute 20 mega instructions per second, as we are providing 20 mega clock frequency per second. And the third component is the reset switch. Restart the microcontroller if is there any system get into the hang on, then if it is not responding properly according to the requirement, according to the input, so then you can just restart the system so that it will reset and it will work from starting onwards. So let us see the demonstration. So provide the 230 volts input to the plug. So keep this in parallel to earth in this normal condition. This is the neutral condition. So now it is in device controlling mode. Forward, one device will get switched on, and backward. So whenever this light in off state, then only it will read the input from the MEMS sensor. Okay, and the device are on, off. So let us see the voice command. So let me on the 2 devices, and then go to voice module. So it will be the on state only. So if you want to announce the voice, so then I need food.
I need medicine.
So till LED off, you're not supposed to give the input, as you don't take that.
Emergency.
So if I give that, it won't take that.
I need water.
Right. Okay. So again, come to the device mode. So in this manner, we are going to provide the assistance for the deaf and dumb person, those are physically challenged and deaf and dumb. So in this system, we can control the devices like light and fan and basic needs also.